Welcome, Tushar. Am I audible? You can reply through the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Who is Nokia 6.1 Plus?
Sir, Megha
If you
Gusala.
just spell out your name through the chat. Hello. Now, am I audible? Hello. 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 Is it audible now? Hello. Test 1, 2, 3. Now it seems that my audio is coming up to you. With this, we are going to start with our first session. Now, as this is our last sem of the academics you are undergoing at the MCA 3 fifth sem, and we are dealing here with the. I think now it's audible, Mega. You just increase your voice. Tushar, am I audible? Mega is saying that audio is not reaching up to her. I'm unmuting you if there are any, because only two or three of us are here. So I'm asking yourself to unmute. You can unmute yourself.
येस सर.
ऑडिओ येतोय तुषार?
हो येतोय सर.
ओके, थँक्यू. फक्त माझी रिक्वेस्ट राहील की कॉन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये आपण बोलूया. जर का एक जण एका वेळेला
हो.
बोलला तर अधिक सोयीचं आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या दृष्टीने. थँक्यू.
हो सर.
Being the very last sem here at up to this sem, you have gone through the various platforms and technologies and whatever the softwares which are going to be useful for you for your career aspects. Now, here at the fifth sem, you are going to have the some application base. Means I mean going to share the screen with you of the syllabus. We'll go through the syllabus. Now the task given to me is of the big data. Now this is the fifth sem software project management. Then you are having the project mini project. It's called soft skill. Then the track one you are going. That's a software application and development. And under that we are going to deal with the welcome Nidisha. We are going to deal with the big data analytics. We are going to see the big data syllabus in detail. And this today's session. Now this is the detailed syllabus of the big data analytics subject under the track one of the fifth sem. That's of the software application and development. As the track itself suggests that it's related to the application development. And nowadays it's the application development are under the mode of the data science and on the big volume. And that's why such a subject of the big data analysis will play a major role in your welcome Rajasri in your career aspects. Now, this is the external subject. We are having the 70 external and 30 internal pattern as a regular pattern. It's like the subject related to the data science. We are going to see the Hadoop distributed data file system also and the NoSQL database also. If I'm requesting student, if you have any problem or if you wish to share anything, I have unmuted you, allowed yourself to unmute. You can ask me at any time. Okay, thank you. Or you can share through the chat box or letter. You can share through the our new WhatsApp group. We have dedicated to the big data and cloud. I have purposefully kept the only one cloud WhatsApp group for the MCA 2 and MCA 3 so that all will get the knowledge of the both of the subject. Thank you. The first session is related to the basics of the big data, concept, challenges, and opportunities available, the new approach to the enterprise information EIS that is called as for the big data and capabilities needed. And what do you mean by actually the big data analytics application with respect to the telecom, banking, retail, healthcare, IT, and operation? That will be the first session. or first topic related to the. Then the second one is the emerging database landscape, which type of database landscapes are available under the big data analytics. It's not a traditional RDBMS. It's like a non-relational database, and we have to scale out a particular architecture of the database. And that's why that's the emerging database landscape, and how to have the workload and its characteristics and its implication on the big data processing that we are going to see in the second session or second topic. The third topic is dedicated. The third topic is dedicated to the application architectures for the big data and analytics. That's the warehouse and analytics part, big data warehouse. Then the hybrid architecture, enterprise data platform ecosystems, and master data management. Now, basically, when we are saying, now we will just discuss the first three sessions in some details, and then we will move towards the next three sessions, and the last two sessions will be there. Now, when we are saying the big data in enterprises, nowadays, whatever the calculations or the whatever the data analysis is being done, it's on the always the on the big scale. It's not related to the any particular any religion, region, or any particular geography only, or any particular strata only, depending on some parameter. It's related to the big data, and that's why this new concept emerges. That's a big data concept. Then what are the challenges before such a new concept, that we are going to see the fundamentals in the first topic. Then to deal with that all the fundamentals, basics, which are the databases or RDBMS are available to scale out a particularly the big data science or the big data processing. And the third is related to the application of first two topics at particularly any particular domain of the IT or retail management or banking, etc. That is related to the first three topics. Then the fourth topic is related to the data modeling approaches for big data analytics and solutions, understanding what do we mean by the data integration pattern, then what do we mean by the workload design approaches, map reduce patterns, and algorithms related to it or use cases related to the data modeling. Then the NoSQL data modeling technique, it's one type of SQL language, or we can say the database management DBMS language, which in which we are going to find or we are going to process on the big data, and accordingly we can have the answer back. The second framework available to have the data processing is the Hadoop framework. That is the next topic of our syllabus. That is a Hadoop framework, Hadoop architecture we are going to see. Then the history of Hadoop, Facebook, Dynamo, Google, Yahoo, how the Hadoop is emerge or evolve, that we are going to see with the in detail of the components of various Hadoop net frameworks, HDFS, MapReduce, and introduction to the Pig and other like Mahout, installation of single node cluster, and installation of Java using the Hadoop. These three are like the backbone of the these three topics. Chapter number 4, 5, and 6 are the backbone of the any big data science technology. That's why we have to, you, as a student also and as a teacher also, we are going to say it in a detail, and where that will be like a building blocks for your future career. I am again asking, I am audible? Is there any technical glitch you're facing? If you're not facing technical glitch, please let me know through the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can have a talk. Thank you. The Hadoop framework. After that, the next topic is the one of the topic is the Hadoop configuration is also there in the Hadoop. In the seventh topic, big data analytics methodology, we are going to see various technologies, various methodologies we are going to discuss with respect to the some particular business cases. And during that, we have to develop a one business hypothesis. We have to analyze that outcomes, then the build and prepare the data sets for that, then select and build analytical models accordingly, design the big data scale, build the production and ready system. That is next point, and setting up a big data analytics system, gathering of data, measure and monitor. It's like a सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ साइकिल. जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में आपने एनालिसिस, देन डिजाइन, देन कोडिंग, देन टेस्टिंग, एवरीथिंग as per step you have done. The same way there is a big data analytics methodology, and you have to see that we have to get through that analysis methodology. Then the last topic is related to the extracting value from the big data. That is the outcome of our big data methodology. जो भी आप बिग डेटा मेथोडोलॉजी अप्लाई करते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेटफॉर्म वहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं, that actually depends, or that actually for the purpose of to have the some outcome, extract some value from big data. And for that purpose you are applying some real time analytics. You can have the in memory data grid for the real time analysis, or you can use the map reduced methodology or real time processing using some cases. That is some case you have to develop, and accordingly we will move forward. That is with respect to the syllabus. These are the some reference books available. All these books are available in our DMI library also. I'm also going to share you some of the ebooks, PDF format, some YouTube links, and some study material on our WhatsApp group. I request all of you to be on the WhatsApp group on the regular basis so that we can have the topic discussion on the WhatsApp group also. And that will be like a 24 by 7 teaching and learning. That's actually the e-learning procedure. It's not expected to have the all thing in a once in a video session only. It's depends on your self-study and the facilitation provided by the institutions resources to have your smoother self-study. If there are any questions, you're free to ask. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप वहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं. Being the very first session, we have just discussed with the syllabus of our given subject. From the next session onwards, we are going to discuss in detail the particular topic. We may have the some PDF discuss or some YouTube related to that. Now the tomorrow's session of the MCA 3, we do have our session at the 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. We will again meet on tomorrow. I will again share meeting ID and password on our WhatsApp group so that everyone will get to know the details. Okay. Is there
Okay,
any
sir.
questions? Tushar, Nidisha, Megha?
No, sir.
हॅलो. माझा आवाज आपणा सर्वांपर्यंत पोहोचत होता?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सर्वप्रथम तर मी हे सांगेल की तुम्ही हे सिलेबस एकदा संपूर्ण गो थ्रू करून घ्या. व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप वरती आपल्याला लक्ष ठेवायचं आहे आणि
हो
त्यानुसार
सर.
आपण फायनल याच्याकडे वळणार आहोत. टीचिंग अँड लर्निंग, ऑनलाईन टीचिंग अँड लर्निंग मधला सर्वात मोठा एक विषय हा असतो की तुम्हाला ॲज अ स्टुडंट म्हणून सेल्फ स्टडी करणं खूप आवश्यक असतं. अनलेस अंटिल सेल्फ स्टडी केल्याशिवाय ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशनचा कोणताही मोटिव्ह सॅटिस्फाय होत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे सेल्फ स्टडी निश्चित करा. त्याच्याकरता जे कोणते रिसोर्सेस उपलब्ध करून घ्यायचे असतील, यू प्लीज लेट अस नो. वी विल मेक दॅट रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल टू यू थ्रू द ऑनलाईन मोड ओनली. ह्या सगळ्या कोरोनाच्या परिस्थितीवरती आपण चांगल्या प्रकारे मात करून पुढे जाऊया. Being the today's session, first session, I conclude here only. ही सिलेबस बुक मी आपल्या ग्रुपवरती पण शेअर करतोय, किंबहुना ती आपल्याकडे असेलच, पण परत एकदा शेअर करणार आहे. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज गो थ्रू द सिलेबस बुक अँड बी प्रिपेअर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर द फर्दर सेशन्स फॉर द एनी काइंड ऑफ और एव्हरी सब्जेक्ट. मिनी प्रोजेक्टच्या पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यूने पण आतापासूनच त्याचा एक विषय घ्या, की जेणेकरून तो मिनी प्रोजेक्ट हा तुम्हाला पुढे जाऊन त्याच्या याच्यामध्ये फिफ्थ सिक्स सेमचा जो IT च्या प्रोजेक्टला कन्व्हर्ट करता येईल असा एक बेस म्हणून मिनी प्रोजेक्ट निश्चित सिलेक्ट करा. वी विल हॅव अ टॉक अगेन. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. Where to end?